Couple of videos back, we talked about a weak set where it gets garbage collected. Now, a weak map is pretty much exactly the same thing. A weak map doesn't have a size. You can never tell how many elements are in it. A weak map is not enumerable, which means you cannot loop over it. And the items inside of a weak map, if they no longer exist anywhere else in your application, they will get garbage collected and they'll be removed from your weak map. So let's go through a quick example of where we have a regular map and a regular weak map, and we'll show exactly the difference here. So we'll create a two objects here. Then we'll create two maps. We'll add a button to each of the maps. Notice how I'm using the keys here, which are objects. Now let's take a look at what we've got here. We got strong, which is our actual map here. Oops, we got to say weak.set. So strong should have one item in it. Good. And weak should have another item in it. Good. So they each have one item in it. And if I were to say weak.size, we get nothing. But if I say strong.size, we get 1. Why? Because a weak map doesn't have a size. Even though DevTools knows what it is here, you cannot get the size of a weak map at all. So now let's go and delete some of them. Dog1 equals null. And dog2 is null. So we've created these, we've added them to the map, and then we've deleted them. Then let's take a look at our maps here. Oh, what is the error here? Assignment to constant variable. Cannot do this. So we would have to say let dog, not const dog. So we have our strong, still has an item in it, and weak, it might still have an item in it. It takes a while to get garbage collected. Oh, nothing there. So we no longer have a dog1. We no longer have a dog2, but the strong one is still holding on to this object that no longer exists. And that's a memory leak there because there's no way for us to reference it. Whereas the weak map has totally cleaned it up. Garbage collection has happened and we no longer reference it there. So if you need something like that, where it gets garbage collected, where you don't have to sort of babysit what is and isn't inside of the map, then that's the case where you reach for a weak map over a map.